Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.1 trillion, down 5.4% in the last 24 hours. This is an emergency video. As you guys can see, I'm not in my ordinary zone, like I'm not at home in my studio. I'm recording this off my phone because I believe this is something urgent and that should be covered because there is a lot of panic that is coming across the markets over the past couple hours. As I mentioned, the overall market cap right now is $2.1 trillion according to CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. But as you guys may know, the numbers on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap are a little inaccurate. So as of recording this video, it is sitting at about $1.9 trillion. Looking at the markets, guys, you guys can see, as I mentioned, we have seen markets tumble towards the downside. There's a lot of red across the board. As you guys can see, I'm scrolling down and majority of the market is in red. And majority of the coins are down double digits. And now comes the question that everyone wants to know, is this it? Was that the top? And now are we going to go more towards the downside? Like, the rally that we had over the past 2 to 3 weeks, was that a fake out? That's the question that is on everyone's mind, and I want to cover that for you guys. So if you are a Bitcoin holder or an altcoin holder, doesn't matter, you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end. So if we are looking at the price of Bitcoin right now, guys, you guys can see Bitcoin has done something very, 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 very crucial in my opinion that I've been talking about on my channel that shouldn't have happened has happened. So as you guys may know, this resistance level, which is at that $46,200 mark, which I have been talking about with you guys for quite some time, has been broken towards the downside. So we were not supported by that price point, and that really shows us one thing, guys. That shows us that the bulls don't have enough steam to keep the price of Bitcoin above that $46,200 price point, because you guys can see we tried to trade sideways above that price point, but we never managed to stay above there. We kept on falling below that support level, and that shows weakness. And right now, today, which is April 6, 2022, we have broken below that resistance level, and which obviously was playing as a level of support. And right now we are sitting back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. One thing that I could bring to your guys' attention is that the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level does have quite a bit of support built around for the price of Bitcoin. So I personally would want to see the price be supported around this price point. But there's a lot of fear coming in the markets right now as we speak, and a lot of people are panicking, which is causing the BTC dominance to spike up. Let me show you guys the chart, which is just loading up for you guys. You guys can see we were seeing BTC dominance decline over the past couple of weeks, and just today, we saw a major spike, not major, but quite significant spike within the BTC dominance index, as you guys can see. And why is that happening and why is that important, you may be asking? So if you are an altcoin holder aside from Bitcoin, this will affect altcoin holders right now, because right now what's happening is that the money is flowing from altcoins into Bitcoin. But what we were seeing earlier in the past couple of days when the market was extremely green while BTC dominance was declining, we were seeing money go from Bitcoin to altcoins. But now it's the reverse of that happening, because there's a lot of uncertainty in the price of Bitcoin, which basically means that people tend to move altcoin profits and holding whatever holding money they have, they flow it back into Bitcoin, which causes obviously the index to go higher. The reason as to why that happens is because if Bitcoin price falls even more towards the downside, altcoins get hit even harder. So people tend to put it into Bitcoin because it holds better than altcoins, and that's what's happening right now. So if you are an altcoin holder, you want to be paying very, very close attention to the price of Bitcoin in the next 24 to 48 hours. I cannot stress this enough. And if we are going on the total market cap, you guys can see we are sitting at $1.985 trillion. We are below that $2 trillion psychological price point, which is a very, very important price point that should not be ignored. But so far, I am not 100% convinced that, this is time to fear. But for the short and medium term, guys, the Bitcoin price is below my specific price target. That is very, very important to me. That is a deciding factor that I take whether or not we are in a bull market or not, or if we have seen the bottom. So we need the price of Bitcoin to go back above that $46,200 mark in the next 24 to 48 hours. If not, then we could be having a total different conversation then. So I just wanted to bring this out for you guys. I'm sorry, the overall structure of this video is not the same as my previous videos because I don't have my computer in front of me. I'm not in my studio right now. I am outside of home, and I'm covering this for you guys from my iPhone. So that is it for today's update, guys. I just wanted to inform you guys. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you could see the price of Bitcoin go at the end of this week. And let me know what's causing this. It's whale manipulation. What is your thoughts? Leave it in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been